Hi y'all, this is Mama T here. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make the best eggs ever. First, you heat up your pan. I would say get it hot to about high. Then you're going to spray some ham. Okay, first you used ham and you sprayed it. Now you're ready for your margarine or butter, whatever you prefer. And let it melt. Now you're going to lower the temperature to low. Okay? That's what your pan should look like. Now you're ready to crack 2 eggs. You're going to want to keep them on the side and on the side. You'll see when I crack them. Next, you're going to put water. It's going to look like it's boiling it. Right on top. 1 and 2. Then your seasonings. It's called Slap Your Mama. And you're going to cover it and let it boil for a little bit. Still all on low. Oh, on low. See how it's cooking? See how that's cooking? Next, you're going to separate the egg. Now you have an option to let it to steam that. Until this one's almost done, and that's about almost done. Okay, there you go. Now for the flipping mode. Some people have a problem with that, but it's a little tricky. Flip. And flip. And they're done. See what the middle looks like. Look at that. Perfect. Thank you guys for watching, and tune in tomorrow for more Mama T's.